Hey, do you know there's a relationship between philosophy and sociology?
Yes.
Can you tell me something about it?
Philosophy and sociology are two related disciplines which help us understand about the human life and the society.
होय तू तरुण ना रे
होय.
तू अंकित करता
अरे तुम्ही होबरा ऐकता ना.
तू फिलॉसफी स्टुडंट नी
अरे होय मरे.
अंग्या
होय शिट.
There's a big difference between sociology and philosophy. Philosophy helps us to understand the theories and ideas, whereas sociology helps us to understand about the society. Together, both of them help us to understand the human behavior.
Start. So what is philosophy according to you?
Philosophy is full of why questions. What is justice? What is good society? And sociology studies about norms, values in the real society. And sociology gives particular data to philosophy, and philosophy gives direction and ideals to sociology. अरे तू हिस्ट्री स्टुडंट ना सिमरन.
झाल्यारू
We are waiting for you. We are waiting for the research.
Yes.
Let's go.
कसं रिसर्च.
We are doing a research on history and its relationship with sociology. So we need her.
Okay, according to you, how history is related to sociology?
See, sociology study about the scientific method of society, while the history that is going to study about the past event, then the people, how they stay, how they civilized, how they urbanized. So we are researching on all these facts and data. We are analyzing it. So we need her. We are going.
तो सिमरन तेगे कितला पाठ हा.
I have a part in this assignment.
हा नो जरा म्हण्या भाषी कितला सांग ना म्हाका एक्सप्लेन कर नो.
So I can tell you about the differences between sociology and history. So sociology studies about the society, social behaviors and relationships, whereas history studies about the past events and chronological development.
So what about the similarities,
I
right?
know about it too.
Yeah.
So the similarities are history and sociology both study about human society. They both use evidences, facts and to study their society.
We are getting late. Let's
and
go.
sociology are interdependent and they help us to get a meaningful and a complete society. Yes, you can include this in the research. Yeah, that's great, dude. That's great idea. Let's go.
Do you know any relationship between psychology and sociology?
Yes, sociology and psychology are closely related to the social science because they both study about human relationship. While sociology study about human society and institution, and psychology studies about individual thinking and their emotion and behavior.
Can you tell me the similarities between them?
Yes, they both study human behavior and they both belong to social sector. Both use scientific research such as observation, interviews, surveys, and they both have both aim to solve human and personal problems.
There are differences. So, psychology studies about human minds, the behavior, while sociology studies about the individual, society. Psychology focuses on social relations and institutions and culture, while psychology studies on thoughts, emotion, personalities, and so on. So, sociology studies about the unit study of society and groups, while psychology studies on individuals. Sociology explains behavior, thoughts, and social factors, while psychology studies and explains about behavior, thoughts on psychology factors. So, to conclude, sociology and psychology are connected because understanding society requires understanding individual, and understanding individual requires understanding society.